More information right now. Latest video coming in from Australia's Sydney, where video shows gunmen opening fire at Bondi Beach in Sydney, Australia. Now, these are the reports that we're getting right now. These are the visual reports of multiple victims of this shooting, an active shooting in Bondi Beach in Sydney, Australia. This is the latest that we're getting right now. A video coming in from Australia, Sydney, where gunmen opened fire at the Bondi Beach in Sydney. There have been reports of multiple such shootings here, and we are, of course, trying to get in more details on what the situation is at the moment there. We're now being joined by Akanksha Swaroop for more on this also. Akanksha, what can you tell us?
Right. This is a developing story. In fact, as we speak, witnesses have said that there were two men who have been spotted. They are dressed in black. They opened fire on the crowd. Several people are reportedly injured. Others are reportedly missing. They crossed over to a small bridge in the car park, as is indicative in the visuals that have been accessed so far. And the police, in fact, have already said that the Bondi police are saying that they are responding to this developing incident. They've urged public to avoid the area and take shelter at the Bondi Beach in Sydney. Several eyewitnesses have reported, in fact, quite a few shots of gunfire that was reported. In fact, what the Jerusalem Post, as we speak, is currently reporting, is that at least 7 people have been injured and 1 is reportedly dead in this mass shooting. They're saying that it was meant to attack a Hanukkah party that is taking place at Bondi Beach. Remember, as we all know, it is one of the leading festivals of the Jews, and it's a 7-day festival, the Hanukkah. So there was a Hanukkah party which was taking place at the Bondi Beach, and 2 people have been reportedly taken into custody, what also is being reported by the Jerusalem Post. As I said, the Jerusalem Post has in fact also reached out to one of the Jews who were present at this party. They are saying that close to 50 shots of gunfire were heard, and everything currently is standing in a state of lockdown. Multiple people have been injured. Many are currently seeking shelter also, and 1 fatality has been reported so far. Is this now an anti-Semitic act? Is something we'll have to await for any kind of confirmation, but it seems like there has been a conscious effort to attack the Jewish community who were celebrating Hanukkah festival at the Bondi Beach. The local media is still trying to gather more information. This festival was happening. The party was in fact called Hanukkah by the Sea. It is an annual event that is run at the Bondi Beach. So we'll have to see how many casualties so far, how many people injured. But as I said, it is a developing story. We are waiting in a formal confirmation.
Absolutely. So as Akanksha said, also this is a developing story. We are waiting to get more information on this. From what we do know right now, this is an active shooter situation which took place during a Hanukkah party there in Australia's Bondi Beach, and whether or not this is an act of anti-Semitism, that is something that we don't know yet, but this is what we know right now. This police are responding to reports of the active shooters at Bondi Beach in Sydney.